Good afternoon, students. This is your science video, and today we will do the exercise of lesson 11, light, shadow and reflection. So start our exercises of this chapter. Rearrange the boxes given below to make the sentences that help us to understand OPQ object. It is a jumbled word. You have to rearrange and make a sentence. If you will rearrange this jumbled word, it will be make OPQ object makes shadow. Okay. Question number 2. Classify the object or material given below as opaque, transparent or translucent, and luminous or non-luminous object. Here the objects are given. You have to identify these objects are or material. Objects or material is opaque, transparent, translucent, luminous or non-luminous. Okay, so air is air, water, piece of rock, a sheet of aluminium, a mirror, a wooden board, a sheet of polythene, a CD, a smoke, a sheet of plain glass, fog, a piece of red hot iron, an umbrella, a lighted fluorescent tube, a wall, a sheet of carbon paper, a flame of a gas burner, a sheet of cardboard, a lighted torch, a sheet of cellophane, a wire mesh, kerosene stove, sun, firefly and moon. Okay, so air is a non-luminous object or it is a transparent object. Transparent you can't consider as a transparent, opaque or anything. It will be non-luminous. Water will be transparent material. Piece of rock, opaque, sheet of aluminium, opaque, mirror, opaque, wooden board, opaque, sheet of polythene will be translucent, CD, opaque, smoke, translucent, sheet of plain glass, transparent, fog, translucent, piece of red hot iron, it will be luminous, umbrella, opaque, lighted fluorescent tube, luminous, wall, opaque, a sheet of carbon paper, translucent, flame of the gas burner, luminous, sheet of cardboard, opaque, lighted torch, luminous, a sheet of cellophane, transparent, wire mesh, non-luminous, kerosene stove, luminous, sun, luminous, firefly, luminous and moon, non-luminous. Okay. Next, can you think of creating a shape that would give you a circular shadow if held in one way and rectangular shadow if held in another way? Yes, if like this, if you are holding this, pen, okay, pin, it will make a cylindrical shape shadow, and if you will held like this, it will make a circle shadow. Okay, but the light source come into the opposite sides of the object. Okay, so there will be so many things which can give a circular shadow and cylindrical shadow in holding in a different way. Okay, in a complete dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, you will see a reflection of yourself in the mirror. No, in a completely dark room, no image will be formed because there is no light and no reflection of the light take place and no image will be formed. So we are not able to see anything in a dark room in the mirror. Okay, so I am sending you this in your group. Complete it. Whose work is not completed, complete in your science copy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.